How to install Rabby Wallet. So the first step is downloading it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So click on Play Store. Once it loads in, use the search and then simply search for Rabby Wallet. Click on Rabby Wallet and it's going to show up here. So go ahead and click on install. And once the installation is complete, just follow the on-screen onboarding process. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so with the download completed, just go ahead and click on open and the Rabby wallet is going to open up. Like I said, there would be an onboarding process where you can either create a new wallet or, enter your old wallet, that is importing an old wallet, or clicking on I already use Rabby and sync with your Rabby extension or import it from your Google Drive. So those are the ways you can actually install the application and also make use of it. All right, guys, so that's it. It's that easy. Just download and click on create a new wallet and you're set.